How to log into Home Depot credit card online account. To log into a Home Depot credit card account, you can head over to this website cityretailservices.citibankonline.com directly instead of the homedepot.com. So go ahead and access their website, open your browser and go to the dedicated Depot credit card login page here. This one right here, City Retailers, and you will be taken to the space right here. Now, what you need to do is basically on the login page, you will be prompted to enter your registered user ID and your password for your Home Depot credit card account. So, in the sign in page, look out for user ID section, enter it up in user ID box, right below it the password, and once you do so, tap on sign on. And after entering information, you will be able to access the account dashboard where you can go ahead and manage your payments to your Home Depot credit card account, access and view your latest transaction history and statements, and update your personal information and manage your account settings. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to go ahead and log into Home Depot credit card online account, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.